Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Are you kidding me right now?
Go, ass white. Oh, Jesus. Dickhead. I'm definitely posting that.
Just the news. The Wall Street Journal reports that the same critics in Europe who trashed Mr. Toyota a couple years ago, they are eating a slice of humble pie this morning. Officials in Brussels have agreed that their plan to ban the combustion engine.
Are you kidding?
Pendant une semaine, ils n'ont même pas regardé. Break check, vas-y, break check. C'est pas très bon. Je vais les mettre en plus, c'est des très bons.
Like, what the? Literally, what?
She tried to lure me from hiding at the Institute. I stayed in the shadows, listening to my small friend fall wet into the ground.
Christ!
Roket loved Leah in his own fast way. I've told you before not to mention your sister's name in our presence. I stay to
soaring midair. We're flying, not walking. Whenever we wish we can fly. You know, I can do some of those things. Yes, over again. No, thanks. Just a minute.
God, it's such a dream, getting to be me.
I don't want her attention. I want yours. Or stops responding. What do you mean by? I like when you're around. When you grab my hand. When you get jealous. I like you. She slaps her cheeks. Nope. No. Stop.
Jesus Christ, dude.
Lawyer also advised me to document everything, the damage, the police reports, and all correspondence with the squatters. He wanted to get any further confrontation, emphasizing that it could jeopardize the eviction process. Within a week, the court granted.
I put on my best humble local farmer performance. Oh no, sir, I definitely could not afford anything this nice. I just live in the area and I'm really
Red
impressed
light
with the
runner
quality
right there.
of what you're... Remember everything about you. We talk for hours about childhood, about her classes, about life. Feels weirdly easy, like
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.